Did you know that the human brain does the most growing in the first 25 years of life? That's why it's so important to make healthy choices to take care of your brain every day. Sleeping may not feel like the most fun part of your day, but it's really important. That's because as you sleep, your brain sorts through and stores all the information you learned during the day. Kids need 10 to 12 hours of sleep each night. Make sure you're eating all of your meals, especially breakfast. Some super brain foods are eggs, fish, berries, and whole grains. 75% of your brain is made up of water, so it's really important to stay hydrated. If you don't, it can affect your mood, your energy level, and your ability to learn. So make sure you drink 7 to 10 cups of water each day. We know that learning benefits the brain, but did you know that exercising your body does too? When you exercise, you send a higher level of oxygen to your brain, which makes you feel less stressed and more focused and alert. Lastly, as much as exercise is important, so is taking time for some restful activities that you enjoy. Giving your brain a break can improve your energy, mood, and your concentration. You only get one brain, so remember to make good choices to keep it healthy and strong now and always.